Welcome to Lane Avail University. My name is Conrad Layn. I don't care if you have good credit, bad credit, if you file for bankruptcy, Chapter 7 or Chapter 11 for business or personal debt. Does not matter how bad your credit is or how good it is or if you have no credit. A quick tip on how you build wealth, riches, and massive amount of money in a short time. You can use other people's cars and rent it on the Avail platform. You just create an agreement with the car owner. As long as you know someone who has a car and you step in place for them, you add their car to the Avail platform, but as long as you're on the registration, that's the most important. You have to be on that registration. So what you do is this. For example, you say you have a friend, a best friend, a brother, sister, cousin, family member, someone you're dating, a husband, wife, doesn't matter. If they own a car and your car is not on the registration, you simply just go to the DMV and add yourself to the registration. That's all you have to do. Very, very simple. Go to DMV, add yourself to the registration, as long as you have authorization from the owner, of course. Then you can actually control the vehicle. You can add it on to the Avail platform. And now, if you want to pay them a cut or don't want to pay them a cut, or whatever the case, that's up to you. But that's how you do it. So even if you have bad credit, good credit, you can't get a car loan, you can't get a competitive car loan, your APR is too high. This is a way you can do it and start fast with no money really out of pocket. All you have to do simply is find people that have cars and add it on. A way of finding people is first, colleagues, co-workers, friends, brothers, sisters, family members, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend, people you know personally. Also, you go on Instagram, LinkedIn, Reddit, and find tour hosts, find hired car owners, find people who already have a rental car company, go to dealerships, go to rental car agencies yourself, do if you really want to really get this working, and tell them your deal, and you're basically managing your company. You just essentially created an Avail car share management company. You're basically gonna manage the cars and guess what? You don't have to take any pictures, you don't have to meet with any guests. You just give Avail the car, set it and forget about it. And then from that point you can negotiate paying the owner a piece of the pie, and that's how you do it without even started having to have your own car. And you can even do this if you have bad credit, good credit, no credit, and you actually set up really fast and create a 20 car fleet, 100 car fleet just by getting to know different people, adding their car to the Avail platform, giving them a cut of the pie, and they're gonna build riches passively because Avail takes care of the car and you don't have to. Like, subscribe, share, follow me on YouTube, Carlin out.